Hello and welcome to another session of how to become a financial analyst. Today we will learn about a visible cells onlys in the series of our how to become a financial analyst. Again, in my 20 years of a corporate experience, I found very less people who know about this very special functions which is called a visible cells only. So what visible cells do, that I can only copy the visible cells. Some what happens that we put a filter, and once we put the filter and we just want to copy the filter things, we cannot copy, because when we filter, it starts from the first row and goes till the last row. But if we use a visible cells only, then we can only copy a visible cells. For example, let me show you through an example. This is a very basic file which has an employee numbers, employee name, department, and their salary. So now my boss wants me to give him a total of amount as per the department. He's not interested in the details of each employee. He wants just give me a departmental total. So what I will do, I will put my cursor over here. I will go into the data, and over here I will find a subtotal. So it's a employee. Yes, I want to do not on the employee, but I want to do it on a department, and sum the salaries and says okay. Now as you can see, there are 3 levels has been created. I can go over here, or a single one. This is what we have learned in our previous sessions. But now when I give this report to my boss, he says, oh, actually what happens that I want you to bold or change the color of the total so that it is visible, because I'm going into the meeting and I want to show those things. So make these things visible. So if I have to make let's say over here there are 5 or 6 total, but if there are more than 50 subtotals, what I will do I go 50 times and go and want to change the colors? No, I want to do something very fast. So what I will do, I will squeeze it to the second total, okay, and then I will go into my home and save say this and go to special, and over here you can see this says a visible cells only. So the moment I press visible cells only and say okay, now whatever I will do will be only done onto the visible cell. But before that I have to select my visible cells also. Okay, so first select the visible cells, go over here, go to special, visible cells only. Now what happens if I do change the and say okay, and now if I change the color of the totals and make everything bold and click somewhere out to cancel the effect of us visible cells, and now if I expand them, now you see the colors only happen where I have done the visible cells, otherwise rest nothing has happened. So again he says okay, now I don't want the details, I want you just to take the totals onto one side and copy me to a next sheet or whatever it is. So what I will do, I will go here, select this whole thing, okay, go over here, so go to special, visible cells only, yes, okay, press the copy function, then create another session, come over here and say paste. So the moment you paste, as you can see, that system has only copied the visible cells, has not copied it from row number 3 till the end. So that's the benefit of using a visible cells only. I hope today you will learn I hope you have learned from this function. If you want me to cover any specific function or scenario, then please feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Please like and subscribe my channel, How to Become a Financial Analyst, and thank you for tuning in. Bye.